Hey, welcome to Quick Calm, where we teach you how to calm your nerves quickly. Today we're hitting the virtual beach. Let's start. Ocean wave breathing. Ocean wave breathing is like pretending you're at the beach. Your breath is the waves. Sit or stand, whatever's comfy. Close your eyes if you want. Now, imagine the ocean. Breathe in through your nose, imagine a wave coming in. Slow and steady. Breathe out through your mouth, like a wave going back to sea. Let's go for 3 waves. Ready? In and out. Now let's do 3 quick rounds of ocean wave breathing. Super simple. This is great when you're stressed or just need a quick mental beach trip. If you liked surfing these breath waves with me, hit like and subscribe for more quick ways to relax. Catch you next time.